those cozy. Oh, I got a gold penny kit. Dude, oh, another one, a smaller one. It's even got a little pick. We got gold vials for our specimens.
Choked on the smoke.
Right, we got a miniaturized shovel.
There's a southern wind blowing this way. Dare me to do it all, no. I'll trade these pounds of flesh for a miserable ghost.
Am I doing it wrong?
And not much will change, but the way that you see
I found
me
it.
will.
Gold nugget. Look. Can you see it? It's not in there.
See it complete.